I've seen people online making these cool little camp stoves out of soda cans and things like that, and I've always wanted to try that. And because we've got some time on our hands now, I wanted to see how cheaply this can be done. So, and I have no idea if this can actually, a lot of people are using the is this right? Let's see. Okay, let's get started here. Because I used to drink the Arizona iced tea cans all the time, but unfortunately they don't sell them anymore. So instead I do this. This is kind of similar stuff. They call it peace tea or whatever, and I drink this every now and then. It's probably not very good for you, but these are the same style cans, and from what I've read on the internet, these are really good to use because they're the diameter is slightly larger than a regular soda can, and the actual aluminum that's used to make the can is it's a bit thicker. So for something like this, it works well. I'm gonna try it just like this. Yeah, that'll work. So yeah, I'm just using the pin here as a depth gauge. I'm gonna rotate the can. Not a perfect job, but just sort of made a line around the can. You can see that, but just a little bit of a scored line around the can. Now I'm going to cut this can. So let's get some scissors here, and maybe. I think I screwed this up. So I think I was supposed to make the holes in the top of this can before cutting it. But I wonder if I can do that now. Yeah, I'll try. See if I can. No, it's really hard to hold on to now. But let's see. I might be able to do it. Let's see here. Seems doable. Okay, so here we go. We've got all our holes in the can. I think so. I've got 5 holes in the top, and then I don't know how many holes around the side. I think I probably could have done a better job of the side holes. They're not super even, but I'm trying to do this pretty quick. So I'm just gonna go through kinking the metal, being pretty careful not to put any holes in it. Okay, this is working a lot better. Basically what I've got here doesn't look like the best job, but let's see if this goes over. Yeah, and it does. Okay, great. So yeah, that should work out just great. Okay, part where we put the fiberglass insulation inside. Put this fiberglass insulation inside the base. Okay. Seems enough. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Maybe not. Okay, so I just pushed that down over. And actually the fiberglass is great because it keeps the liquid from spilling around. And I guess the last step I'm going to try to do is just bend these. See, now that's the problem. I'm just going to try and bend the bottom of this in, just to keep the top on. Let's try this again. Light up. Okay. It's hard to tell, but that is lit. Let's put that on there now. Whew. Oh, Jesus. Not sure if it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be. Ooh. Oh, she's working now. It looks like she's working now. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's working now. Yeah. Now it's working like it should. It should. Well, that's really interesting. Okay. Wow, that is really working. Wow, that's putting off a lot of heat. You know what? I'm gonna try and cook. I'm gonna try and actually cook on this now. Yeah, that's working. Okay, so this stuff might be okay after all. I'm gonna go get a frying pan. Let's try and cook an egg on it. Oh shit, that's working nice. Okay. Yeah, that's excellent. Okay, I'm actually gonna step back because this is kind of. Okay. Time to step back. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna get a frying pan. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna put this out, I think. So we've got I don't know how useful that would actually be, but let's try putting it out. That'll work. Yeah, it's out. Not that hot to the touch. Seems like it's. Oh, nickel's pretty hot. I think that would have worked a lot better if I had have primed it with the heat brand of fuel. I don't know that the fondue fuel is really what you want for this, but anyways, it's not too hot. I'm actually fairly certain you can get that with a little bit of fine tuning. You can actually get that to work. But anyways, that is that's the Arizona penny can stove, which I guess my version would be the Peace Tea nickel stove. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video.